people still look at it, and you know, as long as people still look at it, I'll do it because I love horror, I love Halloween, and like I said, this is just gonna be a horror channel. I'm even gonna change the intro through the, you know, through the middle of the year, but then I'll bring it right back. So right now, what we're gonna do is draw a Day of the Dead skull, real cartoony one. We're gonna be using markers, and I mean Crayola markers. Like these things are $2 at the store. They are really, really, really cheap. Really cheap markers. So I mean, I think I paid $2 for a set of like, I think it was 8 or something. So we're gonna use those. Let's go over this Day of the Dead skull, cartoony version. Whoops. Okay. So we're gonna start with a black, and I'm gonna create a circle, pull down, throw teeth shapes, then so we have our base, right? We have our technical base, and what I'm going to do is, you could draw a little body onto it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to draw obviously the holes for the skull, the eyes holes. And I'm going to draw the nose, and the nose is actually going to be an upside down heart, okay? Upside down heart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing patterns around it. What you could do is I'm going to do these little tiny arches right here. See these like circular shapes, like a flower? And I'm going to follow them around the eye holes, essentially, the eye sockets. Take your time if you want. I'm just doing it quick because, you know, this is a video and I don't want you guys just sitting around waiting for me to do that. Like, I'm just going to speed it up a little bit in terms of like my speed. Going around all the way. Then I'm going to throw a just design like that. I was thinking like seeds. It's kind of randomly. Also, be aware you can make your own. Just make up your own shapes. I'm just throwing stuff. Usually floral shapes are very common. Like these arches. Think of seeds, think of flowers, think of petals. There's also a lot of other stuff like spider webs. There's all kinds of things. And I might do another one as well, not just this one. So once you do that, and you put whatever shape you want, you can even look stuff up. And I'm going to grab a marker, and I'm going to color them in. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. Hold on. I can't sneeze. Let me look at the light. I don't know why. I feel like I'm about to sneeze, but I can't. But anyways, let's continue. Grab this marker, and I'm going to fill in that shape like my own coloring book. Be careful, because when you're using your own marker, you might rub off. The black paint will come off a little bit, because it's semi-fresh, you know, and even if it's not, it'll moisten it up again. So, just put in a variety of colors. I'm going to put in red here for the middle one. And it's fun. It's like you're coloring your own coloring book, your own design. Let me make pink over here. And the designs are really infinite. I think that's what makes this thing cool. And a big part of this was, is this, you know, this is traditional, right? Not cliche. And we talked a lot about this in art class. Like, what is cliche and what is, you know, just a tradition? This thing never gets old. This thing's awesome. Skulls are just awesome, and they're very traditional. And I guess that's dictated by, you know, the audience or by people in general. That, you know, what do they want to label it as? That's a whole other discussion, though. This is traditional, and it's cool and it's fun. And that's it. That's my little very simplistic Day of the Dead skull. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you do your own, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Maybe I'll do another one for this channel. So talk to you later.